What's good, Love Life crew? It's your boy MUSA back with another reaction video. Today we got Jong Kook with ATEEZ. Okay, interesting. Let's check it out. Let's see what he's saying. Has he got that sauce? Has he got that flavor? Wait, hold up. Pause. My man's Dench as well. I know he's got a fitness channel, which I've been checking out. He's a wham. My man be lifting them weights. But anyways, let's get into this one. I've heard one song with him by himself, which was like a lyric video. So it should be interesting to see him in an actual music video. Let's check it out. See if it's got that sauce, see if it's got that flavor. We have 3 rules in this channel. Rule number 1, love life. Rule number 2, no negative vibes. I don't want that here. You don't need that here. And rule number 3, if it's nice, we play it twice. Which means I'm pausing. If you don't like pausing, be gone in it. Jay, the lads and that. Oh. No, hold up there. In the back. How you gonna add two go-in vocalists back to back, man? Oh! Energy. Huh? Energy. Huh? Shit, this video ain't even 4K. This is 24 karat gold K. That's what this is. I'm actually afraid of him. I'm actually afraid of Son, bro. I realize I'm afraid of this man. I'm scared of him, bro. I'm scared of him. Dangerous man, bro. Dangerous man walking. Hey, Mr. Not So Young. Hold the fuck up! You lot ain't gonna enter. How you gonna enter like that? Huh? Entree like that? How? You breaking down the door. My man didn't even knock, bruv. He didn't even say, hello, is anyone home? He just went, boom! I'm here. Shit! That beat drop. Nah, I can't get. I know. Until my heart's satisfied, I'm not moving past this whole segment, bruv. This. What? So we went from these soft vocals here to this. Huh? The whole swimming, diving, that was sick. Hey. The energy is real. The energy is serious right now. Oh, that's it. Oh, you've been making us smile, but so you can't add Woo Young and San together in just one screen. That's a bit too much, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. You gotta separate the two. This is too much, bruv. C'est beaucoup, hein? C'est beaucoup. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, ride it vibe. Did you hear those vocals? Those vocals were outrageous, bruv. What? MUSA? Now that's what I call a collaboration. Now that's how you collab. My goodness, what are you dumb? Yay! Hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, you know what to do. Smash the thumbs up. New to my channel, subscribe. And I'll catch you lot in the next one. Love life, love life, love life. Peace. Wow.
나랑 놀라고 하루 쉬었어. 끊어.
And then you ask me why he's my bias.
바로 구찬성이요.
우리 호텔 지배인.
드디어 이놈의 낯짝을 보겠군.
머리도 묶고 주방 아줌마한테 찍히면서 까시죠. 그런 빵이라고요. 얼른 먹어요.